do you want your desktop to look like this? Yes, so there's an application on Windows you can use to make a video play on your desktop as a video desktop background. So I will teach you how to set this up and let it run. So first of all, open your browser, type lively wallpaper, select the second link. When it opens, tap on the download icon, scroll down to no thanks, continue to download lively wallpaper, click on it and wait a few seconds. It will redirect you to the page. You just have to wait a few seconds for it to generate the download link. So if you don't see anything popping up, you click on this one, click here. So in a minute you should get the download link like mine. So if you don't use a downloader, it will download it into your default download location. So after it is done, just double click to run it. After you are done installing, you come back. When you're done installing, you double click to open the app. So you wait a few seconds. So it reacts to how the mouse is moving. You can see how the desktop is scrolling. So when it opens, already this application has pre-installed video wallpapers that you can apply. But if you have your own video wallpaper, you can click on this plus icon. Whatever video you want to use as your video wallpaper on your background, you can come to browse, click on browse. It will show you the place and you select the particular video wallpaper you want to do. After that, you apply. When you come, you find that the video wallpaper has been applied on your desktop. So let's apply one of the presets here. So let me select the rain v2. When I double click, effect, where there are rain droplets. So you can apply video wallpapers on your desktop to let your desktop look very cool.